here first thing in the morning having our coffee on the beach, and I think it's going to be a beautiful day. Plans to go to brunch. We also booked a reservation for a yacht, but the weather is not looking too promising right about now. Oh, I'm definitely feeling a few raindrops. We haven't heard anything otherwise, so I guess we're going on a yacht? On a yacht. We're about to pop some champagne. Ooh. Rages on, we party.
Yes, Sunny.
This is the part where we're going to end the video, but we just want to get something off our chest.
We do not recommend going out on any kind of watercraft in a thunderstorm. We were with licensed professionals and they deemed that it was safe enough for us to be out there.
That being said, it made a great thumbnail.